One of our podcast guests, Miguel, discussed how visualizations can help consume and make sense of vast amounts of data, aiding in better decision making and system management. Alex, what is your thought process for collecting, alerting, and visualizing data in a Kubernetes cluster?
Yeah, definitely, visualizations are incredibly helpful to operators, right? Being able to see the data in a way that makes sense. But I guess one of the kind of like key parts that I like to tug on with telemetry and the shape of that data is making sure that it has the right level of attributes and having consistency. I think this is especially important for larger organizations where you have several teams and every team is deploying different components. You kind of want to have a standard way of doing things. This is where OpenTelemetry's semantic conventions can really help a lot because obviously they're conventions. And so you have very consistent naming of your services and namespaces and instance IDs. But I think it's also very valuable to come up with a language or a set of terms to help describe like the business aspects, and that's going to be unique to every business. And that those common attributes really help, right, in inspect things when you're dealing with, an incident at 3 in the morning. Having probably a lot of our audience, dealt with this a few days ago with Amazon. But yes, when you're kind of like in the